Hello everyone, now topic discuss about the Gibbs paradox. It is also known as the entropy of a perfect gas. So let's see in that. First, consider a two different ideal gases system having a same temperature and pressure, also same volume V and number of particle n. So the next show in figures. So first SI is a two different ideal gases systems, then same temperature and pressure and also same volume V and number of particles. Then after combine, it gives to the SF is after combination of two system of ideal gases. The next SI is the entropy of two individual system. Before mixing at a SI is the entropy of after mixing two systems. So the next we know a partition function of a perfect gas is Z is equal to V upon H3n into 2 pi mkt raised to 3n by 2. So V is the volume of system, H is a Planck constant, n is the number of the particle, m is the mass of the system, k is the Boltzmann constant and T is the temperatures. So the next finds ln Z. ln Z is equal to n in bracket ln V plus 3 by 2 ln into 2 pi mkt upon h squares. So the next find out the entropy of a perfect gas. So it's gives to the S is equal to K in bracket ln Z plus beta E bar. So then put the value ln Z in these equations. So it's gives to S is equal to Nk in bracket ln V plus 3 by 2 ln 2 pi mkt upon h square plus 3 by 2 gives equation number first. So this is a general form of entropy in ideal gas system from above figure. So then next find out the S initial and S final values. So first S initial is equal to S plus S is equal to 2S gives equation number 2. So put equation first in equation 2. So S initial is equal to 2nk in bracket ln V plus 3 by 2 ln 2 pi mkt upon h square plus 3 by 2 gives equation number 3. Then next find out the S final values. So we know after combine two systems V tends to 2V and N tends to 2N and P and T V value does not change. So then equation first written as SF is equal to 2nk in bracket ln 2V plus 3 by 2 ln 2 pi mkt upon h square plus 3 by 2 gives equation number 4. So S is the change in entropy. So find out delta S is equal to S final minus S initials. So it gives to putting this equation in value of S finals and S initial value. Then find out delta S. So it gives to delta S is equal to minus 2nk in bracket ln V plus 3 2 upon ln 2 pi mkt upon a square plus 3 by 2 bracket complete plus 2nk in bracket ln 2v plus 3 by 2 ln 2 pi mkt upon a square plus 3 by 2. So solving this equation then gives answer is equal to minus 2nk ln v plus 2nk ln 2v. So is equal to 2nk in bracket minus ln v plus ln 2v. Then next is equal to 2nk in bracket ln 2v minus ln v. Then after solving is equal to 2nk ln 2v upon v. So then lastly find it gives to delta S is equal to 2nk ln 2 gives equation number 5. This is the equation of Gibbs paradox. Then next from equation 5 system mixed together. The total entropy is increased, that is entropy is not extensive properties. Then result of equation 5 is unacceptable because of the mixing of two system considered above is a reversible process. We can say that total entropy of a combined system should not be changed. This paradox is known as a Gibbs paradox.